Hey Emojis, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I am doing a room tour. So this is kind of like a quick glance of what my room looks like. So I'm going to get right into the video so you don't have to sit in a long intro like I normally do. So let's go. I'm going to kind of start from my door and then go around this way. So first on my door, I have a miraculous balloon for my birthday, and because like who doesn't love miraculous, honestly. Then I have like this wall hanging shoe thing. So I have my black boots, some white shoes, and then some sequin shoes, which only 2 of these fit me, and I've only worn these once, and I've only worn these once, and this one does not fit me yet. I have this little door stopper because my doors like never close. I just close it because I'm filming. So this is right here just to stop it. And then I have this sign which says, "Hello, my name is Penelope. I was born August 20th, 2009. My weight, height, and the time I was born." Here, this is something that I cannot show you guys yet for personal reasons. So I just put a big poster board over it. And here you guys are. Hello, and there I am. Don't mind the writing on my hand, by the way. This is just a cloud mirror that I got from Dollar Tree. And then this is my desk. These are flower petals that I'm drawing, so just pretend it's not here. And this is a shirt that I'm giving to one of my friends. So this is not usually here, but I have a little avocado thing, and I have a little flower with my Rectus journal with tabs. I have this, which is from a Rectus journal, so and I have to keep it. Notebook, clipboard, which I use for painting, and on this side I have Mrs. Mermaid, my McDonald's figure, my marshmallow Coke. This has coins in it. This is a clay thing that I have yet to bake. This is my little tiny fan with a little dinosaur cup. Then I have rose quartz right here that I try my best to keep this like organized, but it's really hard to since I'm always in this drawer. But here's my mood tracker that I make every month, and then I have like just a bunch of random stuff. So like I have sticky notes, scissors, earbuds, drawing my friend made, lotion, pencil sharpener, tape, just a whole bunch of random stuff that I use all the time. I have a art project that I'm working on. And this looks like trash, but it's all for paper mache, and I didn't want to throw it out since we're going to be using it soon. Play-Doh and my motion sensor medicine. Oh, I'm sorry, mister. Not me. Oh my goodness, he's just falling all over the place. There we go. Second, this one right here, I have my Posca pens, I have markers, and this is full of colored pencils. And that one, this is like a grip trainer's nail bobber, and this is full of like pens and stuff. This one has nothing. Section for bracelets, envelopes, lipstick, which I don't know why that's in there, honestly, and duct tape. This one, I have paper. That's really the only thing that's in here. It's just paper and cardstock. And this is here because it won't come back into place. This one, I never do because there's the handles in it, but it just has a whole bunch of random cords in it. And over here is my TV, and you can see me again. I have this little roller skate thing just so that you don't like have to look at all these wires and have actually something pretty to look at. This is my little projector, and there you are again. Hello. Over here I have my Vaseline, and I have my remotes, and then my devotions book. I have all my nail polish stuff in here, so this is all of my nail polish bottles. I know I have a lot. Some of these I've had since I was like 5. I have fake nails in here, and then a whole bunch of like nail stuff. I have a random note thing, acrylic nails, nail lamp, gel nail polish, fake nail kit that I got like 3 Easters ago that I still have not used. Okay, in here, it looks cluttered, but I promise you it's not. I'm covering this up because it has the library I go to, and I don't want you guys knowing what library I go to. Just like stuff that I use like almost every night. So I have my little buddy here. His name is Tiggs because he's a tiger. I got it in a Happy Meal. I have a walkie-talkie, a random Band-Aid that's out of its thing. I have my notebook, my prayer box, Vapo Rub, a little fidget my friend gave me, notebook, miraculous bandages, my Bible, and then 2 other books and a notebook, and then my Bible tabs. Then we move on to my bed here, and down here we have my little slippers, and this is my bed and then I have an extra piece of foam here. These are my pajamas because I re-wear them a few nights. And then here I have my 2 stitch pillows, like a, I don't know what these are called, but it's like you can sit on it, and then like a body pillow kind of thing. And then I have his name is Kitty Pillar, and her name is Ms. Bunny. Then I have my miraculous blanket. as you can tell. Here I have my air purifier because I get seasonal allergies, so that just kind of like helps me to breathe. But normally I have it on all day, but it's kind of noisy, so I turned it off just for the video. So you don't have to listen to it. Here I have my miraculous LED lamp. My Lady Noir one, because who doesn't love Lady Noir? And as you can tell, I like Lady Noir a lot. So then I have my Lady Noir, this won't turn off. There we go. I have a Lady Noir picture and then a Lady Noir sticker. I got this from a subscription box. I also got this from a subscription box, and it's Chat Blanc, because who doesn't like Chat Blanc? I also usually have these open, and these are usually behind it, sitting over here, but I close this so that you can't see where I live, because why would you want to know that? And then here I have a little whiteboard, with a Bible verse if you want to pause and read that. And I have a little rose, which is slowly dying, which are what those rose petals are from, because whenever whenever a rose petal dies, I take it off and let it dry for crafts and stuff. This is a craft I'm working on. It's dry glue, but the bottom is not dry yet. Here's my beautiful chair with all of my Mariah plushies, except for this little guy that I got when I went to camp. So I have Cousin Derp, Pickle, Georgie, Eustace, and Baby Hamster. He does not have a name yet, so tell me what you want to name him and I might name him that. Here I have my Stranger Things poster, and then I have my Surfer Boy pizza. Pineapple on pizza is not that bad, so stop hating on it. And then I have my little handbag here with my Lucky Charm on it, and then a keychain that I have matching with my friend. And then we go into the mysterious dark closet. You can see all my clothes. Let me turn the light on. So this is a package that I am sending to my friend. This is an apron, which has paint all over it because I did that on purpose because I want it to be full of paint so that looks cool. I have my digital camera and then these little like macaron things that my brother gave me. I have my hula hoop here and my little gymnastics bag. And then here with all my clothes, this is undergarments, and then from here to here it's all jackets, and then this is long sleeve shirts. This is short sleeve shirts. This is, this is hard with one hand. These are crop tops, swimsuits and leotards. I have all of my pants here, and then I have my dresses, or like rompers and stuff like that. Anything that would go here. So like I have a romper here, and then I have my robe, and then open hangers, and then hats, and then I have a little scent thing. I have a big bin of all my stuffed animals that I have here. Here I have my little adult Happy Meal box thing, or whatever you want to call it. I have a miraculous backpack, this board game my brother gave me, a whole bunch of different backpacks, a bag of socks, and my ukulele. And here is my little shelf of bins, and Mr. Creepy Man greets you as you walk into my closet. This one is all full of painting stuff, so paintbrushes, actual paint, canvases, stuff like that. This one is craft stuff, which is usually full. This is a art project I'm working on. This is for the art project. Beads, stuff like that. This is all like writing stuff, kind of. So you can just kind of see in there, it's like stickers and stuff. For here is Gymnastics Stuff. It's basically just writing stuff, and we're gonna move on quickly because I'm covering something up. This is all just random stuff that does not have a spot. So it used to not be overflowing, but now it kind of is. And then I have this little faith cross that my Bible study leader gave me. Why is it blurry? I have my Christmas blanket, my cat blanket, my basketballs, my friendship thread, glue, my little Christmas tree, and then over here, as you can see over here, I have my Chat Noir stick that I made, and my Rita Rouge flute that I made, and then you can see all the way stuff back there. It's very dark back there. Oh, and this fell. It's my skateboard, and then I have my like exercise mat, and my dirty basket. And then I have my gymnastics mat. So I didn't show you that because I forgot to, but there's a little flower wreath that I made, and then I put my little stuffed animal in there. So that's his home now, and I think he looks very cute. If we can just turn that off and say bye-bye. This is the last section, so enjoy. This is a little sticker, which it actually keeps coming off, and it's really annoying, so I have to get tape to put on here. But it says Paris. This means I love you. At least I'm pretty sure it translates to I love you. And then a little heart. It's a Paris sticker. I actually got that at Dollar Tree, which I'm surprised. And then right below it is my little like Paris block thing. And it's like storage. Also cushioned right here, so it's like a seat. But yeah, so you guys can rate my room or something. I don't know. Oh my goodness, my bedspread is uneven. Let me just fix that real quick. Is that better? I can't tell. Well, I think that this video was extremely fast. I didn't mean for it to go fast. I thought it was going to take a little bit longer. But yeah, and I just want to apologize really quickly for being super off schedule with uploading. It's because I had a lot of events going. But I promise that I will get right back on track with uploading. And also Vlogmas is coming up, which I'm very excited for.
Through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Because I love Vlogmas, honestly. And you guys can tell me what you want me to name this little guy. He also reverses to Mad. So, I don't know if that'll help you name him. That was a really bad. Guys, all enjoyed watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you on my keyboard. Bye!